What's up YouTube and welcome back to NCH Software Academy. Today I'm back with another video where guys I'll be showing you how I managed to mix this song which went straight to Billboard. Don't play with me. Please don't play with me. This song's the first Amapiano song to go straight on Billboard. Let me play the song and you guys will let me know how you feel about it. Oh, another thing guys, you already know like what to do. The moment like you put your beat on MixPad, one thing that you need to do is to change your tempo to align with the tempo of the beat so that when you're making delays on your main vocal or on your backing song, so the delay can go with the speed of the tempo. Okay, let me play it. Let me play the hit song. Let me play this song. I hope you guys will love it. I got no time. I got no time. You can leave me, baby. I got no time. I got no time. You can leave me, baby. All you want is my money. 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 Sabayonge Mariami. Sabayonge Mariami. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, we just made a hit song on MixPad. We just make a hit song on MixPad. Guys, if you don't think this is a hit song, please let me know on the comment section. If you love me to do a full video where I am breaking everything I did here, If you want me to start from recording, but you guys know how to record. I've been dropping a lot of videos on how to record on Mixpad. But if you want me to produce a song from start to finish, from recording, or if you want me to produce a song like just adding effects on an already edited song, you'll just let me know, guys. You will let me know. This is how we did this Amapiano song. I hope you guys really love this. This is an African genre originated from South Africa, but a lot of people from from other African countries been enjoying the sound, especially people from UK. They really love the sound. People from Nigeria, Algeria, Tanzania, Zimbabwe, like they really love the sound. Namibia, the list goes on. Lesotho, Eswatini, people all around Africa, like they really love this sound, and I hope you guys you will also love this sound and you'll love you. I know most of my subscribers come from the USA. I'm pretty sure you guys, if you listen to the sound, you'll check more Amapiano song on YouTube, and somehow you may get inspired and try to add a little bit of your favor on this just to make it sound more American. The perfect example of an American artist who love to do a lot of changes on the sound is J.I. the Prince of New York. J.I. like he will mix a lot of an Afrobeat and make it like sound melodic. J.I. the Prince of New York is one of the artists, new artists from New York. Actually, he's not new. I think he's been in the game since 2016, but he likes to mix a lot of an Afrobeat and make those Afrobeats to sound more melodic. So you guys, you can also do the same thing. Just listen to them a piano beat and try to take them, change here and there, and make it sound more American. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll keep on dropping more videos on Mixpad. I'm not lazy no more, as you guys you can see. I'm not lazy. I'll be dropping more videos on Mixpad, and I'm pretty sure you guys you'll enjoy. Thank you so much guys for your support. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Please leave a comment on who I shall do next, who I shall do next, and I will try to do him breezy him breezy. I'll try to do him breezy vocal tutorial after this one definitely. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you next time.